Listen to this song, and I want to do a minute of a song. I was listening to this on my headphones. So I know I want to do a minute of this song, and I just listened to it and just got my ideas. I was thinking I come in, I sit on the couch, and I turn on like the TV or my laptop or something to Netflix. I can make like a fake poster of me having like some kind of Netflix show. And so I turn on that show, and you see me like laying in the bed. And then that's like the first mask in, so we zoom into the computer screen, we're into that shot, and then I get up, I go to the bathroom, I start getting ready, sing in the mirror, I go to where am I getting ready, I end up in the studio. It's kind of set up like a concert hall, I'm performing, the person who was on the couch watching is now dancing, everyone's happy, it's all love. That's my idea. It's only a minute long because I want to put on Instagram. This actually releases right when I get back on Instagram when Lent ends. So I think this would be kind of a cool Instagram debut. But I'm going to kind of write down the order and all the shots I need real quick in my notebook. Then I'm going to go get dressed, get wardrobe. Y'all be there for it all. So stay tuned. First shot, I'm going to be wearing these glasses that we're going to turn into like Google glasses. I'm going to be chilling. These will be the new headphones of the year, and then that's how we'll shoot that. Bathroom look, probably just my black robe. I feel like the blue satin is like perfect for our finale look. For this scene, I'm coming, dropping my laptop down, putting on the song. So I'm actually gonna do, if you guys saw my notes, I said chop style. That means that I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna actually film it, performing the song 50% slower, and when I edit it, I'm gonna speed up. You guys will see that's how it creates like the chop effect. So I just call it chop style. Chop style, chop style. So I'm actually going to bring the song itself into Final Cut Pro. So I'm going to put the song in its own project in Final Cut Pro. Then I'm going to slow that project down 50%. And that's how I'm going to listen to it while I perform. About to move to the bed scene, do bed, bathroom, blah blah blah.
Hey, what up, say? Yeah, now I rep the O, what you know about the west side? I just bought a whip, all in cash, live my best life. Bought a couple stocks, so I'm covered for the next 5. I don't like the top, but I will if you test my patience. I'm patiently waiting, thinking you know me, but you've been mistaken. Alone in my crib, I like it vacant. Up in the morning, I'm me in the bacon. Don't like the cap and I don't like the faking. I need a bag and it's mine for the taking. Liquor and women, I'm never chasing. She don't know me, but she know that I'm famous. I got way too much money coming out of Woodwork. Remember back then, dog, I told them that it would work. They ain't take it serious, I showed them that I could first. Now I got a crib off the strings, so that's good. I got way too much money coming out of Woodwork. Remember back then, dog, I told them that it would work. They ain't take it serious, I showed them that I could first. Now I got a crib off the strings, so that's good. I got racks, I got the bills, I need my mama up in the hills. All of these dudes, they in the fields. I don't need drink, I don't need pills, I just need money, that's what I'm saying. All of this talking, swear it gets draining. All of this time, I've been refraining. Now I make hits when I cover the bases.
We are headed downstairs for the final look. Final look.
Now I got time to go get it. I told him I'd do it. I swear that I'm running the most. I don't know about what they been talking. I told them I'm here and I'm working so hard while they don't. I'm in the base and I'm making a way, and I told them that this is a life that I chose. They tryna test me, I told them you really don't want it. I told them that I gotta go. Now I got way too much money coming out of Woodwork. Remember back then, dog, I told them that it would work. They ain't take it serious, I showed them that I could first. Now I got a crib off the strings, so that's good. I got way too much money coming out of Woodwork. Remember back then, dog, I told them that it would work. They ain't take it serious, I showed them that I could first. Now I got a crib off the strings, so that's good work.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Nobody's harder than me, I'm a breaker of chains, I'm living it free. Trust what I said and not what you see. Nobody keep it in order like me. I'm really a beast and I'm out in the wild. The boil in my eye and I want it right now. That's a vow and I gotta get it, the victory's mine. You tryna compete, it's wasted time. Came from the bottom but now I'm in front of the line. In front of the haters, I turn into motivators. I don't owe them no favors and any beef and get catered. I'm on my way, doing my flex, running it up, getting my checks. I got the power, give me respect. I live this life and on to the next. Respect. I live this life, then on to the next. Give me respect. I live this life, then on to the next. I flex different than them boys that have been grinding strong. You can spot a winner cause his money and his fortune long. But I'ma get my bag every day, it don't matter what you want. Make sure you check yourself, talk about me, but you talking wrong. Closer to home, I can get certified OG, paid all my